Welcome back Rx7 fans to an episode where I changed the fuel filter on this Rx7. Who would put the fuel filter above the diff? What a shit spot. Anyway fans, enjoy the journey. Super hard to see, but the fuel filter is up above the diff. What a shit spot. There's the diff, and then somewhere up on those hoses up there is the fuel filter. This is the rear, looking back out towards the back end of the car, but I believe on this side is the easiest part. Maybe not. Tight squeeze under here though. Holy hecker. Sorry about that close up. We'll get there. That's the fuel filter up there. I've just taken the clamp off, put it to the back, but yeah, as you can tell, this is not a nice spot to be working in. One of the perks of working on cars, new tools, gotta love it. So I'm going to try this new tool out, Temu Express, beautiful. Let's see if we can get it up in here and try and there's a couple of bolts way up in behind the diff that actually hold the bracket on, so I'll try and get this bracket off. Right, got the fuel filter out, wasn't too bad. Yeah, just not high enough off the ground, causes a few issues, but luckily got it jacked up high enough, spilled a little bit of fuel, but that's okay. I'll show you what's coming out of the filter. That's actually really gross and black. Gnarly stuff. That is horrible. So glad I had a look at that fuel filter because that is disgusting and chopped up. That is not on, so I'm glad I've actually gone to the effort to change this filter. Yeah, this was absolutely disgusting. That fuel is as black as ever coming out of that filter. So I'll swap over to the new one. So I've got the new one here. I'll just put the bracket onto it and reinstall it in the car. Well, that's it for the install of the fuel filter. Sorry I didn't get much detail on where it was. It's pretty hard to do it on the floor like I am. And also, yeah, it's a bit of a shit spot as you can see from the footage I did give you. So it's installed anyway. You can see the terrible black gunk that came out, so I'm glad I've done that.